Isang kagandang araw mga foodies. So let's answer the question. Saan ga yan? So ito po ay sa San Pablo City sa Pandin Lake. And now, yung next question na paano pumunta dyan. So sasakay ka lang ng bus and then baba ka sa San Pablo City. Kapag nasa labas ka ng city, sasakay ka ng tricycle, sabihin mo lang sa may cathedral, 7-Eleven. So, yan yon. And then next to that ay yung jeepney terminal, sasakay ka doon, 20 pesos, biyaheng Santo Angel, and then ibababa ka ng jeep doon sa papasok papunta ng Pandin Lake. So, from here, sasakay ka pa rin ng tricycle worth 20 pesos until makarating ka dun sa kanilang registration site. And then, dun ka na magpapalista before you go in sa kanilang raft. And eto na, yan, i-ready nila yung raft and then you'll have a 2-hour lunch with the raft. Pwede kang mag-swimming, so on and so forth. At enjoy mo ang green water ng Pandin Lake. They also have wild ducks there. Ang saya. I hope nag-enjoy kayo, nagutom at nainitan. That will be all. Ta-ta!